documenting an educational purposes only channel. No children!
Good morning, Groomy. Thanks for dropping in. I appreciate you muchly. I changed my mind. She's just too nice of a bush. What I'm gonna do is, everywhere you got branch over top of branch, I'm just gonna use the clips. I'm not gonna tie them, but I'm just gonna clip them over. So no branch is over top of no branch. I'll bring you back in a minute. Hold tight. Oh yeah, these are going bye-bye. My buddy is here right now. Back in flash. Shazam! All three of them ladies have disappeared. I was gonna keep Miss K's 2.0 and put her back where the banana trees were and let her Charlie Brown. My wallet got very shitty with me, so I let them all go. Hey. Okie dokie. So, I brought out my sewing kit. We're gonna stitch this damn blueberry bush up. I'm gonna let her Charlie Brown. Oh, let her Charlie Brown. So what I'm gonna do is, let me spin her a little bit. I'm gonna just clip over. Let me make sure I got you in here. I'm just gonna clip them over. So I'll have no bud sites covered by bud sites. Let's just do one right here now. See how it grows. Like to be able to get it all the way. Try a green boy. I think I can get him a little closer. Keep that node out away from there. Yeah. See that? We got his ass moved. Now, let's see. That one I can get over with a stake. So we'll just leave that one alone for right now. I'll just clip it. That'll work. Got enough room? Yeah, I think I can get that one on. Use the orange, yellow one for that. Nope. Greeny. Greeny. Okay, dokie. Yeah. Spin him on around, baby. Get a yellow one in on there. Nope. Green boy. It's gonna be all greenies, I think. There we go. Yeah, baby. Yeah, I think that'll work. Gonna have pretty little Charlie Brown. Hopefully I can get her decorated up for Christmas. I think she's gonna make a nice little bush. She's gonna be a bushy bitch. Yeah, if I can just pin that one. Let me go get a pin. Let's complete the mission, damn it. Okay, dokie. Moving on for you. A long ass minute for me. I'm a popular man today when I'm trying to do something. It's always when I'm trying to do something, goddammit. Yeah, see, I got them cooked out. Goddamn, I'm getting in the way of my light. No bud sites. All bud sites are exposed. They all have their own little spot. Yep. I'll eventually clip them out there. Those two. And when these get bigger, I'll take these big fan leaves off. I'll always leave 2 or 3 big sets of fan leaves on. And we're just gonna let her do her thing, Groomies. Gonna let her do her thing. She looks like she wants to be a Christmas tree, god damn it. So we're gonna let her be a Christmas tree. Have a fantastic weekend, Grummies. What's left of it. Appreciate you muchly. I'm out of here. Peace.